premier office complex on 8th Avenue in downtown Calgary with almost 2 million square feet of office and retail space needed to upgrade its outdated analog intercom system. Without the high costs, complexity, and disruption of ripping and replacing network infrastructure. Thanks to Convergent's leadership in driving innovation, they introduced NVT Phybridge's PoE technology, which delivers secure, long-reach connectivity over any cable type. Unlike traditional network solutions, these innovations eliminate cable type and distance limitations, ensuring a high-performance deployment with minimal risk and disruption. Convergent's commitment to customer success enabled a fast, cost-effective upgrade, allowing their customer to allocate more of its budget toward advanced IP endpoints and enhanced capabilities. By leveraging the existing infrastructure, the project significantly reduced electronic waste and material consumption, reinforcing the customer's commitment to the environment. This digital transformation not only improved security, but also aligned with the customer's sustainability goals, proving that innovation and environmental responsibility go hand in hand.